First and foremost, give yourself the gift of rest. Trading can be mentally and emotionally demanding. The weekend is your opportunity to recharge and rejuvenate. Whether it's catching up on sleep, spending quality time with loved ones, or indulging in a hobby, prioritize activities that bring relaxation and joy. Next on the agenda, health. A professional trader's well-being is integral to sustained success. Incorporate a workout routine into your weekend. Exercise not only contributes to physical health but also enhances mental clarity and focus. Whether it's a gym session, a run, or a yoga class, find what suits you best and make it a weekend ritual. Let's get down to the trading specifics. Use a portion of your weekend to review your trades from the previous week. Analyze both winning and losing trades. What worked well, and what could be improved. This reflective process helps you identify patterns, refine strategies, and continuously evolve as a trader. Keep a trading journal to document your insights. Amid the hustle and bustle of the trading world, it's easy to overlook the importance of gratitude. Take a moment to reflect on your journey, appreciate the progress you've made, and express gratitude for the opportunities ahead. Cultivating a positive mindset can have a profound impact on your overall well-being and trading performance. Professional traders are lifelong learners. Use the weekend to deepen your knowledge of the markets. Read articles, watch educational videos, or explore new trading strategies. Staying informed and adapting to market trends is a continuous process, and the weekend provides the perfect time to engage in uninterrupted learning. Strategic planning is a hallmark of successful traders. Set aside time to plan for the upcoming trading week. Identify potential market-moving events, review economic calendars, and outline your goals and priorities. Having a clear plan in place sets the tone for a focused and purposeful trading week. In conclusion, a professional trader's weekend is a holistic blend of rest, health, reflection, gratitude, learning, and planning. By incorporating these elements into your weekend routine, you not only enhance your trading skills, but also cultivate a balanced and sustainable approach to your professional life. Remember, trading is not just about making profits, it's about fostering a mindset and lifestyle that support long-term success. Enjoy your weekend.